Next, get some travel bags that are your friends. They are these two bags. Now this one was full. All the stuff that I just showed you, or most of it, like the perfume, the Poo-Pourri, the wipes and all that stuff, sanitizer, all goes in here. These bags are amazing. These are Exploreloon. You can get them in numerous colors. I just love pink, so I got them in pink, but I think you can get them in like black, blue. I don't know all the colors. I'll link it like I keep saying, so you can look at it for yourself. But I did get these off Amazon and I love them. So I put all my makeup in this bad boy, and I'm surprised, besides my brushes and sponges, pretty much everything fit. I have a lot of stuff in here, and it's not even everything that I took with me when I recently went to Mexico. I have powders, foundations, highlighters, blushes, Fix Plus, contour, primer. Like, I just have so much stuff in here. So you can definitely utilize this for makeup. You need a good bag, and if you're like me, I tend to overpack. I tend to overpack, especially when it comes to makeup. You don't need all this stuff. It's just little old you, one face, only this many days. You can't even get through all these makeup products, and yet I still felt like, no, I need them, because in my mind I had convinced myself, I'm gonna try all these new products, I'm gonna wear them, I'm gonna just make up myself down. And I think I wore makeup like one day. But this time, this kind of forced me to consolidate and basically figure out, what am I gonna do? Because this was like, no ma'am, what you gonna do? But this bag is pretty secure, and it's nice. Has a hook like this, so you can just either stick your fingers in. Has two zippers like this, and like I said, it's see-through, so you can see without having to open it basically what you put in here. And it's just an awesome bag. And when your things are consolidated like this, they fit in backpacks and purses so much better than having them thrown around or in like bigger cases that you really do not need. Next is this little baby here. Like I said, she had all the things that I just showed you in her, and she fit them perfectly fine. These are my two favorite bags. I would like another set, but that's just me wanting extra stuff for no good reason. But I do love these so much. I feel like I could put so much more stuff in here. And yeah, I just want more bags like this. I feel like I need more. I don't, because I can't tell you the first thing I put in another one or another two. They do come in sets of 2. That's something I should add. These came together. I did not have to order these individually. They came as a unit. This one was inside of this one, obviously, and that's how they came. So while I want to order another set, realistically, I don't know what I put in the other set. Besides for color purposes, I don't really know what I put in there. So yeah, it's just me wanting to order stuff. Next thing, we are bringing back fanny packs, okay? I feel like fanny packs don't get the respect they deserve. Shout out to this fanny pack. It is an Amazon fanny pack. She's all black. I mean, she's just amazing. And she has a gazillion pockets. Let me show you. So there's this first pocket. You see, zip right that one. So there's this first pocket, there's a second pocket, there's this open pocket, and then inside there's this like area. Then on the back, boom, this unzips and you can put stuff back here as well. And you get a lot of room with this. You get like a lot. You can stretch it out more than this, but I'm just trying to show you. You get a lot of space. So this I wore in Mexico because I really just was not feeling the purse thing. I didn't want to carry around a purse all day when we were exploring. It was already hot, and purses just on my arm, it was too much. I'm lazy. I didn't want to do all that. Backpacks, you need to turn to the front of you because you never know. Somebody comes up behind you, unzips it, so soft, takes some of your stuff out. Like, there's just too much with the backpack. So I learned fannies, you can never go wrong with fannies. They're in the front of you, so nobody's gonna run up and do something to it without you seeing it or without you knowing. Like, it's just not gonna happen. You're gonna know. And you can put, like I said, a lot of stuff in here. Last time I went, I put my regular wallet, because I have a travel wallet, which I will talk to you about in a minute. My regular wallet, which is super, she's a thick one. She's a Kate Spade wallet, and it's pretty thick. My battery power bank, my cords, my chapsticks, my headphones, I don't remember everything I had in here, but I had a lot of stuff. You can get a lot of items in here. I absolutely love this fanny pack, and I love that it's black, so it goes with any outfit you put on for the day. It's the color for the masses. It can go with any and every outfit that you put on for the day. You're good to go with this beautiful fanny pack. I should probably stop moving it around so much, but you know, I'm just so excited. I feel like people really mess with you about fannies, and these are great. And this is a material that you can easily wipe things off if something spills, which I really love, because you can't really predict if people are going to spill things on you, but you can say, you know what, I can still wipe it off with ease, as opposed to it being a fabric that just sucks up that juice or whatever unfortunate thing spills on you, and then you have a big stain on your fanny. This is not that. So if you are in the market for a fanny pack, I'm going to try and remember where I got this and link it. Again, I don't remember. Some of the stuff I purchased a while ago, like last year, last year this time last year I was purchasing this stuff, so I don't remember exactly, but I should be able to go back in Amazon and just look up where I ordered it from, so never mind. Disregard that. Next thing is a travel wallet. Now, unfortunately, I can't find this travel wallet. Like, I just got back from out of town, so I don't know where half my stuff is right now, and I'm going to have to go through and figure it out, but just bear with me. Of course, I will insert a picture. I love having a travel wallet. My wallet, as I mentioned earlier, that I carry around when I'm home is way too thick, and it just has all my stuff in it. So if somebody takes it, they take everything, versus with my travel wallet, I had my passport in it, my ticket, my boarding pass, my global traveler entry card, and my ID, and 2 credit cards, or 2 of my cards, debit cards and credit cards. So I really, in my currency and stuff like that, just normal stuff you have in a wallet, but not everything. Now, by the way, I like that the wallet, the way it's shaped, and you will see this in the picture, you can stick your ticket into it, your boarding pass into it, and it's sticking out so that you can easily grab it, because you may need to keep taking it out and putting it in. If you've ever been to the airport, you know they want you to take out your ticket and passport a million times. You're like, I just took this out 4 times. They still want you to take it out a million times. So having easy access to it is a phenomenal thing, and that wallet allows for that. Now, I've seen someone who was like, well, no one really uses boarding passes, paper boarding passes, but some airports don't allow you to do electronic. For instance, Cancun did not allow us at their airport to utilize electronic boarding passes. So because they didn't, we had to go to a kiosk, print it out, and then have that paper with us the entire time until we got onto our flight. So that wallet just makes it easier for that. As a little pen holder, I never carry pens in my wallet, so having it there makes it so awesome for when you have to fill out those forms for customs, and you need a pen, because and you don't want to touch all the pens that are going around. Again, Corona is real, so we just want to try to keep our supplies to ourselves and utilize our supplies and make sure we're we're sanitizing everything. But anyway, you need a pen. You never know, it may not just be for custom forms. You can need a pen for a plethora of things, and that way you will have one with that wallet. You have 2 cards. The 2 cards that I had, if somebody, God forbid, stole those, it would be really easy to cut them off super fast, lock them. Nobody could do anything with them. They become trash anyway. Like Capital One, which is an amazing bank, they allow me to lock my card, and I believe Bank of America does too. So I love Capital One. I just love them. I just started with them, but I love them. Not related, but I thought I'd tell you. So anyway, also my ID. I don't generally travel around with my passport outside of getting to the country, getting to my hotel room or my Airbnb, putting it away, and then all I usually have is my ID and my currency. That is it. I do not have I have my ID, my currency, and my cards. Really, that's it. I don't want to travel around with too much stuff. I may have a picture of my passport if for some reason I need it, but I don't have my actual passport with me. And you shouldn't travel with your actual passport outside of, again, getting to the country, getting your stuff situated, and then as soon as you drop your things off to the hotel or wherever you're staying with family members, wherever, drop it off, leave it there, and then go with your wallet. But that wallet, it is also pink like my bags. You can get it in a plethora of colors like my bags, and it just is so awesome. It's like a wristlet as well, so if you want to wear it on your wrist, you can. Alone, it can just be solo if that's all you want to carry, or if you want to put it in something like the fanny pack I mentioned earlier, or a backpack, it can fit because it is very thin and skinny. It's not bulging, it's not bulky, because you have so little things in there, but just enough to get you around wherever you are going. So that wallet is awesome. I recommend it to any and everybody because the wallet is bomb. Okay, wallet's bomb. Next, something else I can't find but I have the box for. It's my battery, my power bank TG90. Saw this from an Amazon video, which, disclaimer, all of this stuff, for the most part, I've seen something similar or the exact thing on other YouTube videos. I just have watched so many, I don't know where they came from, but I'm just kind of coming to co-sign. They say they do actually really work. So this I got from Amazon. This is the TG90 power bank, 10,000 mAh. I don't know exactly what that means. It's in black. The one I have is in black. This one here is in white, but the one that I use is in black. It's not too large. It is about, it could fit in here in this pocket. So this one, the second one that I unzip, it could fit in here, if that gives you an idea of how big it is. It's probably like, this is my phone. It's probably like maybe about here. It's not too big. I feel like you can get away with using it, especially if you're carrying around a bag. Like I said, I had it in my fanny pack, so the battery's amazing, and it has 4 notches. You can get a lot of juice from that. Just make sure you plug it into the right one because it has 2 ports. Make sure you plug it into the right one, or you will notice that you've been charging your phone for 3,000 years and it's only 1 to 2%, and you're going to be like, really? So yeah, make sure that you're using the correct one. But that battery is so good. You never know how long you're going to be out. You may plan for some things, but anything can happen, and you may not be able to get to a plug or some place to get some juice for your phone, and that portable battery is great. And you can have it charging while you're traveling, while you're walking, seeing the sights, while you're on a ride, while you're doing pretty much anything. You can have that phone charging, so it's always charged up. You don't have to wait until you get really low. I wouldn't advise that anyway. Make sure your phone just constantly has some juice in it, and that it's good to go just in case you need to utilize it, maybe to find directions, maybe to call someone, maybe to get information, because we use our phones all the time, let's just be real. So whatever you may need to use it for, make sure that it has juice. Next thing I would say you need are shout wipes. You need wipes, because no matter if you have children or if you don't, you can get stuff spilled on you at any time, any place. Nobody's safe in these streets, okay? Stains are coming for us all, and these wipes work miracles. They get stains out of pretty much everything except, I stress, except white. Do not use these on white clothing, white sheets, white anything. A friend of mine did, and it did not turn out well for her, so don't use this on white. And you can get them in small packs like this, or in a bigger pack that comes with 12. I believe this one came with 4, but the other one comes with 12. Like I said, I've gotten stained. I don't even have kids. Someone else's kid got stuff on my clothes, and it's not pretty. And especially if you don't have a change of outfit with you, then you're just walking around with a stain on you, and you're just thinking, why me? So make sure you have some of these on deck. Next is a mini safety kit. This one is Johnson by Johnson & Johnson. This one is by Johnson & Johnson, and it has hand cleansing wipes and band-aids, and I think, does it have a little thing of gauze in here? It does. It's really little, but it has a little thing of gauze in here. This is not the kit for like performing surgery, okay? So don't be in disbelief if you get in here, you're like, they don't have sutures and no, just band-aids, wipes, and some gauze. But I feel like that's all you need. Otherwise, head to the hospital, you know. But I feel like this is okay for little boo-boos that kids may have, little boo-boo that you may get. little paper cut, anything that you come across, this is good. It's small, it's discreet. Not that it's anything that has to be discreet, but it is. And it can fit in your bags, like the bags I showed you. This can fit in there, or in the fanny. It can fit in Fanny. So this is a nice size. Fits in the purse. It just fits pretty much everywhere. I can't think of anywhere that it wouldn't fit. So this is something you should invest in. That's all I gotta say. I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully. Bye.